Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily Talking.
Hi, David. Hi, friends. I need help.
Olivia, what's wrong? Why do you need help today?
I need to go grocery shopping, but I don't know the English words. How do I ask for prices? How do I choose things?
Grocery shopping. That's our topic today. Perfect! We will learn all about it.
Really? Oh, that's great! I need this so much.
Grocery shopping is a very important part of our daily life. Everyone does it.
Yes, we buy food, drinks, everything.
Exactly. And today we will learn how to do it in English.
Perfect. But first, let's remind our viewers.
Yes, dear friends, please subscribe to Daily Talking.
Click that subscribe button. It helps us so much.
And like this video. Thank you.
Thank you. Now, David, teach me how to shop at the grocery store.
Let's start from the beginning. Let's go inside the store. Okay, Olivia. First, we go to the grocery store.
Grocery store. Got it.
Good. Now, do you have a shopping list?
Shopping list. Yes, I always make a shopping list.
Perfect. That helps you remember what to buy. And don't forget your shopping cart or basket.
Shopping cart. I take a shopping cart.
Good. Now, the store has different sections. First, let's go to the fruit and vegetable section.
Fruit and vegetable section. We need apples.
Perfect. We also have the dairy section for milk and cheese.
Dairy section for milk.
Yes, and the bakery for bread.
Bakery. I love fresh bread.
Me too. And we have the meat section for chicken, beef, fish.
Meat section. So many sections.
Yes. Now, you're in the fruit section. You see apples. How do you ask the price?
I don't know.
You can say, "How much is this?" or "What's the price of the apples?"
How much is this? What's the price? Oh, it's $2 per kilo.
Good. Now you need to choose nice, fresh apples. Pick up 3 or 4.
I choose these red apples. I pick up 4.
Perfect. But wait, before you buy, always check the expiration date.
Expiration date. Good idea. I don't want old food.
Exactly. Especially for milk, yogurt, meat. Always check.
I understand.
Great. Now let's practice. You need to buy milk. Where do you go and how do you ask the price?
I go to the dairy section. How much is the milk?
Perfect. You're learning fast.
David, I found all the items. What do I do now?
Great. Now put all your items in your shopping cart.
I put everything in my cart.
Good. You can walk around different aisles to find everything on your list.
Aisle. I walk down the pasta aisle.
Perfect. And Olivia, here's a tip. Look for special offers or discounts. You can save money.
Special offer. Discount. I love discounts.
Everyone loves discounts. Maybe buy one, get one free, or 50% off.
Buy one, get one free? That's amazing.
Yes. Now, when your cart is full, it's time to go to the checkout line. you will see the cashier there.
Checkout line. Cashier. Okay, I'm ready.
Good. At the checkout, you put your items on the conveyor belt.
Conveyor belt. That moving thing?
Exactly. It moves your items to the cashier.
I put my apples and milk on the conveyor belt.
Perfect. Now let's practice. You saw a special offer for your favorite drink. What do?
I take the special offer. I put it in my cart and go to the checkout line.
Excellent. You're ready to pay.
David, I'm at the checkout. What will the cashier ask me?
The cashier will ask cash or card. You say cash or card.
Cash or card? I say card.
Good. Many people use cards today. Then they ask, would you like a bag?
Would you like a bag? What do I say?
You can say, yes, please, or no, thank you.
Yes, please. I need a bag.
Perfect. Now, after everything is scanned, the cashier says the total price. Or you can ask, how much is the total?
How much is the total? It's $25.
Good. You pay with your card and don't forget to take your receipt.
Receipt! Good for checking my money.
Exactly. The receipt shows everything you bought and how much you paid.
Very useful.
Yes. Now you can leave the store and go home.
I leave the store and go home. Mission complete.
Perfect. Now let's review what we learned today.
Yes, so many useful words.
So, we learned grocery store, the place where we shop.
Shopping list, to remember what to buy.
How much is this? To ask the price.
Expiration date, to check if food is fresh.
Checkout line, where we pay.
Cash or card, how we pay.
And receipt, the paper that shows what we bought.
Perfect summary. Now grocery shopping is easy for me.
I'm so happy. Now, everyone, we have homework for you.
Tell us, what do you usually buy at the grocery store?
Write in the comments, in English.
For example, I usually buy bread, milk, and vegetables.
Or, I always buy apples and cheese.
We want to know what you buy.
And please, subscribe to Daily Talking.
Click that subscribe button and like this video. Thank you for shopping with us today.
See you in the next episode of Daily Talking.
Goodbye, everyone. Happy shopping.
Bye-bye.